Well, welcome back, everyone. Another exciting day in markets, right on point with our strategies. We were expecting some follow through, but not a continued breakout above 518 on the SPY. That's effectively what happened. Follow through from yesterday, that is. Now, I want to bring in the NASDAQ futures into the mix in the conversation over here, as it does have the overweight of the Mag 7 stocks. And quite frankly, when you see the NASDAQ on a daily chart, with our champion trend sell zone trail line being perforated today, but a wealth signal coming in at the end of the day, counterbalanced with a negative IRB tracker, price action still remaining under that champion trend, sell zone trail line, but above the visual trend channel, which has turned yellow, but starting to turn back up. Now, we've got price on the NASDAQ in a mixed signal state, trying to catch up to where the S&P 500 has been. And the ES, in particular, the SPY, has now seen 1, 2, and this is the third day above the channel. It's the second day above the champion trend sell zone trail line. And if you look at what's happened here, we're in a champion trend buy zone. We do have the green opaque zone in the back there. That's the champion cross, with the blue dot remaining on price on that bar, which effectively means we're in stage one of a buy signal sequence. Now, the market is still rising into a massive thicket of resistance. Having the NASDAQ cooperate and provide support is going to be key. As you heard in last night's video, and videos just like these, when we are in a market move back up towards highs, the market is probably going to have some consternation trying to chew through that massive overhead resistance. And that's exactly what we're seeing right now, right on point with our strategies, right on point with our tools. The interesting part, though, is there are a plethora of individual stocks that continue to see rises as the market tries to chew through resistance and waits for the NASDAQ to cooperate. Now, tomorrow morning, we're going to have a very unique class, first time ever. You've never seen this before. Our options guru, Stacy Brovitz, is going to be coming in and doing an amazing class for you, taking advantage of situations just like these and many more where markets have a directionality. They may not be trending again. They may be range bound. They may be in transition even. But what Stacy's going to be able to do for you tomorrow is teach you how he finds higher probability options trade setups, especially if you're in a market that's got a smaller range, it's pushing up against resistance, hasn't broken out, and one wants to have some defined risk on, well, what if this breakout doesn't happen and the market tide ends up pulling back? Well, the perfect opportunity for you to learn how to combine technical tools and unusual options activity with strategies that can cover the entire spectrum for those that want to just hit the ground running as an experienced options trader, or those that are really looking to get started and start putting their time to work and, of course, understand the process. Well, Stacy's going to do a class tomorrow that's never been done before. So it is not going to be recorded. It is a live class. It starts tomorrow morning, Wednesday, May the 8th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. And the idea here is, in a market like we're in right now, tools and strategies as the market is rising, waiting for the NASDAQ. We haven't broken it out yet. And you've heard Rob call this level out. You know, he was on the phone with me just moments ago. And of course, a couple weeks ago when we talked about this, same story. The NASDAQ breaking out above here is where things can really change, but hasn't happened. So the day can be played in many ways, and Stacy's going to come back to you tomorrow morning and give you an incredible view on how he identifies and evaluates stellar options trades that are higher probability, and I look very much forward to seeing you there. Simply go to becomebettertrader.com/yes and get your seat now. Make sure that you're prepared for that first ever brand new class, and I'm looking forward to seeing you there, and of course gaining all the great insights that Stacy has to offer. Wishing you a wonderful rest of your day. Go to becomebettertrader.com/yes. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.